Alrighty, to Queenstown, first road trip of the summer. Bikes on the back. South Central, here we come. 8-hour drive.
Oh, don't
Long way to Tipperary.
Where's Tipperary?
It's in Ireland.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Tipperary's in Ireland.
Oh.
Pretty sure it is. I've never been there. It's a bloody long way anyway. Stopping to see if we can find some greenstone in this creek down here. Oh, that's good. Get up. Score. It was worth it then. One piece of greenstone. What a score.
20 minutes more driving.
I know, that was pretty good. That was only 20 minutes for one piece of greenstone. Alright, to Wanaka. Might stop for a beer in Wanaka. Just come and stay the night at Tim's house, and he's barbecued some chicken on the Traeger, and there's motorbikes on TV. The long drive, 8 hours it took to get from home down to Queenstown here, and then the riding is about an hour and a half away. You hungry, mate?
Slow down.
You can even look on top of it, and also the screen controller for a little TV there.
Oh yeah, well.
Wow.
Bloody hell, you could drive in a snowstorm. Out on my way, peasants, him and a Mercedes Benz. Tim's given us, I said Benz. Me and Lorenzo rolling in a Benzo. Tim's giving us his truck. What do I feel like I'm about to crash it any given second?
Well, this thing is so cool.
I thought my Hilux was flash. Pretty good, eh?
Yeah.
How
I'm
good's
not
that
going to
thing?
control the thing though.
Bet it doesn't go half as fast as the... Oh no, my truck's way gruntier than this thing. Why is it beeping? What's going on? Now it's still beeping. Why is it beeping? Oh, your seatbelt. Alright, I think we're good. Gelato, so good.
I'm sorry, Jesus, I'm sorry.
I'm about to punch you in the head, son. I swear to God.
Sonny always grabs a seat to pull himself up in it, and he always pulls Charlie's mullet. Charlie's not happy. That wasn't pretend at all. Quick breakfast for the champions. Don't know if it's a race today. If it is, we're going to win it though. It looks cold as out there. Jeez, it was freezing tits here yesterday. Sou'wester was just screaming up the lake. It was bitterly cold. At least it stopped blowing today. Check out how fancy this tap is. Just have a shower in the sink. Hey, Sonny. And there's heaps of people here. It's a massive turnout. Bikes and utes as far as the eye can see. What's up, bro?
We're about the bloody...
Yeah, zip that jacket up, bro. Right, Charlie and Tim are going to boost, and me and Sonny are going to cruise, and then we'll see you back in an hour, and then... Oi, get up, mate. We took the expert loop by mistake, and we got down the bottom of the hill. It's real steep, and Sonny's crashed down twice. I was like, shit, okay, I chucked him on the front of the KTM, and we're just cruising back down with Sonny on the front. Yeah, it was a cock up. I should have listened to the instructions, but I don't know if I'm dyslexic or something. I swear to God, he said 2 was the easiest one, so we went down that one. Nah, 2 was the expert one. Bloody hell. Anyways, we had to turn around and drive back up the steep hill and try to find the junior one. Then we got lost, and now we're back on track. We're going down this big steep hill, but Sonny's finding it hard to hang on because it's quite steep for 2 people on the bike. Yeah, I try not to go too fast so we don't crash out, but too slow and we keep keep stalling. But no, it's good. It's a pretty good ride. Big country, this one. I bet the whole place is crawling with animals. Actually, Sonny, this is where we're going hunting tomorrow.
Where?
Over there. Struck a wee bit of the track. We just had to stop some young shavers that were stuck. I think there's a chicken line around the top there, but no one's figured that out yet. Bloody great ride, great ride. Sorry I didn't get more footage of it, it's too busy riding. Now that I know what I know about those trail rides, next time we go we'll bloody just cruise around the course, set up a couple of good points with the camera and film it. But yeah, holy shit, that was fun. I went for a blat with just myself after I dropped Sonny off and just cane tips on that 2-stroke around the course. Man, 2-strokes so much fun, aren't they? But yeah, didn't have it set up for filming, sorry. Alright, tell me what happened, what's going on here?
So I said shotgun first, and we said shotgun at the same time. Well, I said a little bit first. I was like, alright, we'll do paper, scissors, rock then, since you're going to whine. And then paper, scissors, and I won. He did paper, I did scissors.
But then I said not playing before he won the paper, scissors, rock.
Oh, the old he said, I said, they said, we said. Well, hang on, how about you guys play scissors, paper, rock? Just the one, and then whoever wins gets to go to Queenstown on the front, and then the other guy gets it on the way back.
Alright. Sonny, we'll do 21. You know that game? Go.
Damn, I know the sequence, you know it too.
Go.
1,
2, 3, 4.
No, hey, you're tricking him, that's a trick.
9, 10.
11, 12.
13.
14, 15, 16.
Damn it! I'm not. Wait, can we restart? 1,
2, 3, 4.
5, 6.
7, 8.
9.
This last one. 10, 11, 12.
Nope, not playing. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you should have got just go scissors, paper, rock. He's gonna kick your ass every time,
not
Sonny.
Not playing. 1, 2.
Scissors, paper, rock.
Three,
Yeah,
four.
paper, scissors, rock. Paper, scissors, rock.
Alright. Paper, scissors, rock.
Oh.
I did paper, scissors, rock before. You get out.
There's the rules, bro. Deal's a deal. No, Charlie.
Charlie!
Winner. What are you doing? I'm throwing you into the front.
Are you getting in the front, Sonny? Come on.
Thank you, Charlie! Oh my God,
Pick your
Charlie.
bottles up.
Charlie.
Pick your bottles up, Sonny.
Charlie just wants to do some sweet wheelies on his bike. You alright, Oi? Oh, he's fizzing. She's been in the truck for 3 days. Here we are. Thanks again, Cam, for letting us on to your farm. Hopefully get Sonny his first deer tonight. Fingers crossed. We'll see. Right, let's scare all the deer in the valley with the KX85.
My helmet, please, dude. Jeez, you put that right there. Could you whack that back in, please?
We got a hell of a load on here. I brought all of our shit with us instead of leaving it at Tim's. I don't know why. I guess I thought that maybe Tim was bringing his vehicle and we'd move on to greener pastures. Charlie didn't win the race today. That thing's such a weapon, that bike. Just going to take the trailer off here, and Sonny will take his bike for a while. We'll have some lunch. You go forward just a bit. A bit more. Yeah, good. Good work. Good driver, that one. Sweet, we made it. Already rolled in shit. Get out of it, Oi. Go get him, boy.
Yeah, no.
There you go. Stuff it in, stuff it all in. This is Sonny's first sandwich with chicken chips in it. Is it good?
I can't even taste this shit.
It's bloody good.
Where do we go tonight, Dad? Up on over that ridge.
What's going on?
I reckon there's lots of deer in the skelly.
We need to move.
It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's quite windy up top, blowing its guts out. The boys are down fanging around on the bikes. We're just going to have a cup of coffee and chill out. Sunday, day off.
The cows are packed up like they're ready for war and about to chase me. One already chased me. It was a brown and white one.
Scared the shit out of Oi. You know where your left wheel and right wheel are?
Yep.
If you can visualise where all 4 wheels are when you're driving, then you'll know exactly where they are and you won't run over stuff.
Now I think my hand forwards.
Just want him.
Must be almost hunting time. We actually just went for a drive down to the flats and saw a deer up the side of the hill, but bug it off before we could get set up. I just discovered my big camera's broken now, so I'm going to have to use my phone to zoom in on the animals. You might see a little tiny animal in the middle of the screen getting shot tonight. Bloody hell. Sonny's just going to go for one more fang. Such a great wee bike, this Forza. Such a good bike. Let's get the gear ready. I think it's going to get real cold when that sun disappears. Sonny just sucked the fat Coomera off this bank over here. Come show us where he crashed. Bloody hell, he's lucky he didn't break his back and his head and his neck and his feet and his hands and everything.
I just drove off like it's even.
I'm flying off right there.
Here, and then I drove off here and landed.
Ended up.
And landed here, and my nose hit this rock. With the handlebar digging into my arm.
That's my boy. We've come up the hill on this bloody dozer tracks. I don't think we're going to make it, but the boys were like, oh yes, and they were right, we actually made it up. My legs are shot from riding the motorbikes, a big long downhill section, and it was a little bit technical and just pumped the shit out of my legs. Up the hill. It's a half decent rut. We've just seen a stag, but he's seen us and he's linked up. That's Dad's goal. We're not shooting stags anyway, we're trying to get a yearling. Oh, there's three more deer right there. whenever you're ready. He's gonna go, Charm. Oh, there's one. There's a hind running. No, don't shoot it. Skyline.
There was one to the...
Oh, we're gonna keep trudging up around the hill and see if we can see some more. So close, yet so far away. It's a long way to the top.
Don't stop, alright?
Sonny's rooted. He's stomping his way up the hill. Blowing his guts out and there's a bit of rain coming in, but I think we're just going to sit here and glass for a while. Got a pretty good vantage point. Sweet, we've seen 3 deer and a pig and some piglets. We're going to sneak down the hill and get closer and have a crack at them. Let's go, Sonny. This way, bro. We've seen a couple of yearlings down there. 3 yearlings, two on one side of the ridge and 1 on the other. We're going to mosey on down the hill and see if we can have a crack at them. They're pretty close. Relatively close. And then there's also a sow and a bunch of piglets down the bottom of the hill. Be awesome to smack a couple of little piglets over. Could have a pig on the spit. We've seen 4 deer now. Poor old Sonny's only got his gumboots and he's slipping all over the place. We've seen about, how many stags have we seen? 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 or 20 stags. We saw 2 yearling, well, the yearling Charlie had a shot at and missed, right by the truck. And we've walked all the way around the hill. I got sore legs. Sonny's ready to make camp and go to bed.
Right on the hillside.
Tim's about to blow a gasket, and Charlie wants to go shoot the hinds way down the bottom of the valley, but if he does, he's on his own. We're going to leave him there. I just yelled at them anyway and scared them off, so they're good. Saved us from a massive carry back from the truck.
I really want to shoot the hind and
back
then
to the truck.
leave it there.
It saved us from a massive carry back to the truck, so that was close.
You can just walk over that hill onto the road. It's that easy, just whoop.
It's not that easy, it's miles down there. Look how far it is.
Yeah, just run down this hill. Run down the other hill. And then run
And damn it.
there.
I think we're going to walk back to the truck and try find one that's slightly easier. But the stags are very healthy up. We've also seen 7 pigs.
A bunch of goats.
Oh yeah, a bunch of goats. Oh, there's another deer there. Man, there's deer everywhere over here. Oh, there's another one over there too.
Where the goats?
We made it back to the track. Now we've got about 1 kilometre on track to get back to the truck. My legs are shot. This is the life, I tell you. I'm so glad we didn't shoot a deer over there. Oh look, look.
Dad, there's a song called Backpack.
Shh. Come look down there. Have a look. Oh, we just winded. Come a bit further. I just saw Oi winding and, oh, what's she winding? I thought it might have been a deer, but it's a nice little goat. We made it back to the truck. We're going to have pineapple and mandarins because we were real hungry. Grab that pineapple, bro.
I'm starting to feel like a rip now.
You gonna come out? Come here, you little mongrel. Oh, here, hold that for me. Now, just says there we walked for 28 kilometres.
Not quite.
Oh. 2.8 kilometres
One
probably.
word of mandarins. was small.
You just eat the whole thing, Sonny.
Oh.
Smash it.
Trump should get some deer later on tonight.
One of the best knife makers in the world. Sam Harrison makes so good knife. Cuts rocks in half in under 2 seconds. Wow, you can cut steaks so easily. Throw apples up in the air and just cut it in half.
Cut false advertisement with the rocks.
Don't need to worry about.
It'll cut everything else.
Don't need to worry about that metal. Just cut it in half if you need to. Sam Harrison's knife. Go get some now.
And on that note, we're going to go shoot an easy deer, maybe.
Jesus, mate, you just ripped the whole bag in half.
Good work, Sonny.
Now
Now we're going to have to eat the chips.
Dad, hold it. Hold it, hold it. Sonny, hold it. Hold the bag. So we're going along and we saw a deer and it was facing away from us and was about to go, so Tim spine shot it and we're just going to go down and finish it off now. Boy, get out! Just dragging this deer down the hill, shot it. The truck is over.
Way over in the distance.
Sonny blicked
Gary,
us.
Sonny bailed.
Yep.
Josh stayed in the truck. Saved the extra effort.
Sat down.
Sat down.
Looks like
Probably
he's making
drinking a cold
something.
beer.
Good girl. Made it. Deer at the truck. Hey, there's a pig. Charlie's onto a pig. Go, catch him, Charlie. I'll catch him. I'll film you catching him. Go get him, Charlie.
No, he got
Get him, Charlie. Get him. Go on. Go let him film you catching him.
Get him, boy. Get him. Get him, boy. Get him, boy.
What are you going to do with it? Let it go. Bit of excitement, eh, Sonny?
Yeah.
Good girl. Good girl.
Maybe. We're on there.
Steak sandwiches for dinner. Pretty standard.
Should have stuck that
Some
pig.
deep bush. Now, I was just kind of thinking, I forgot to get a beer, a cold beer would be awesome. But, Tim bought some. You a bit knackered, oi?
Yep.
Good day, bro?
What do you want, Tim?
Yeah.
Could I have an IPA in a can? Thanks, bro. Export for your dad. You can have an export.
Or some fellow backstrap. Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Cheers, Tim.
Cheers. Nice work, lads.
Cheers, Sonny. Here, mate, have a little drink if you want. You're going to tornado it?
You do like the vortex thing. Hey, Sonny, grab this chair.
This is mine.
This is certainly not no fizzy lemon drink.
Oh, the meat came out. I must have it though.
Adorable. Good dog, boy. Bit of a snack there, boy. How you doing there, lads? Good?
Yeah.
Good night. See you in the morning, eh?
Yep. Love you.
You too. Well done, lads. Good work today out there. Solid effort, Sonny.
Yeah.
Good night in the rat nest, or the possum nest. Oh man, I'm rooted as. Great little coffee brewer, this one. Bloody good. If you go down the posts, there's a link. You can buy one from that link. I'm going to start bringing them into the country and selling them actually.
What?
Hello?
What?
Don't wreck those zippers. What are we doing today?
Yeah.
Don't know. Going somewhere else. Going back to Queenstown to have some gelato. And some chicken. Wake up!
Oh, wait.
Still pretty quiet on that rooftop tent. It's always signature move. She comes over for a pat when you just sit down and have your coffee, and then she digs you right on the elbow and spills hot coffee all over your nuts. So when you come camping with me, just beware, because it's a real hazard.
She just tried.
Hot coffee on the nuts first thing in the morning. Come on. Nudge my elbow like you do. Come on, oi. Good dog. Come here. Right. Come here. Come on. Come on. Fuck, I'm trying to get her to do it. I was just going to spill hot coffee all over my nuts for you guys to show you what I mean. She's not doing it. Oh, you mongrel. She's a bloody, bloody mongrel, that dog. There's probably deer all over them hills. Can't be fuck shit. You're going getting it because we're too rooted. Bloody battery's flat. I ran the truck last night for a while when we got back too, so these spotlights didn't suck too much charge. It was sitting at 13.5 volts. Turned it over last night, no worries. This morning woke up flat, so it must be the DC-DC or DC-DC charger or whatever that charger is in the back. Must be drawing current when it's not supposed to, so not quite sure what to do about that. I'll call the team. Anyway, we're the hell up in the middle of nowhere with no battery. We're going to try jump it off Sonny's motorbike, see if that works. Well, that didn't work. So we're going to send Charlie down on the bike to the fishing batches. There was a couple of vehicles there yesterday, although they're probably gone by now, but we'll send him down there to hopefully he doesn't run out of gas. And yeah, to try find someone to give us a hand. And we'll also send a text out on the Garmin. Charlie to the rescue. Someone coming to our rescue?
I bumped into some old people from Hawaii. I'm like, g'day. And they're like, hi. Like, you look like a kid that's enjoying life. And I was like, yep. And I was like, is there anyone in the big group of huts up there? And they're like, nope. All dead. No one there.
So did you go to the farmhouse and get help?
No. Mary.
He's probably going to run out of gas and have to walk all the way down there. Oh well, I guess we'll go back to sitting in the chairs and talking about Elon Musk satellites and when are they going to come up with a satellite option on your phone so you can text and say, could you come give us a jump start because we've run out of battery juice. If we had a Tesla, mate, we probably wouldn't matter because we'd just start it because no, we'd run out of batteries for the Tesla as well. We'll be up here going, damn it, why do we buy an electric vehicle? We should have stuck with a diesel. Ball bags. Oh well. It's also just starting to rain a little bit. Got another plan. Don't know if it's going to work. We're going to give it a go. We're going to heat some hot water up. We're going to heat some cold water up till it's hot, and then we're going to pour that on the battery, and maybe that will give us a little bit more juice. Probably not, because it wasn't cold last night, and that's not why the battery's flat, but I don't know, it's worth a go, isn't it? Sonny, if you're up here on your own and your truck had a flat battery, what would you do?
I'd push it down back to my house and maybe charge it up.
How would you push it? That thing's heavy.
How would I push it? I would use my hands.
Well, why don't you just do that now?
The thing's open and all the stuff, and I don't want to put that stuff back in. I'm too lazy.
There's probably a bunch of people going, you fucking idiot, this isn't going to work. I can already tell this isn't going to work because that water's not going to be enough water to heat the whole battery up. Worth a crack though, right? Worth a crack, Nige.
Capsicum. Meat.
I'm just waiting for the fire to burn down. If you cook on fire or flames, quite often the tannin and the oils come out of the wood and make the meat black and bitter. We're just waiting for it to burn right down till it's just coals there, and then it'll just be the heat from the wood and none of the oils and saps and tannins making our meat bitter.
One and only meat and onion.
Here,
I can hear Charlie, and he's right over
He's
there.
coming up the hill. Let's see what he's discovered.
Wow, hopefully it's good news. What's the go, bro?
It's not on the way.
What's that?
Calf is not on the way.
What?
Help isn't on the way.
Straight up.
Straight up. No, I'm joking.
Did you find someone to help us?
Winston and Claudia.
Hey?
They're from Hawaii.
And?
And they're coming.
What?
They're coming in their Mitsubishi. They're just behind me.
Oh, are
And I
they?
smoked them.
Oh, awesome. He went. The first people he saw, he talked to them, Winston and Claudia. Is it a car or four-wheel drive?
It's a Mitsubishi.
That's bloody great news. We'll give them a burnt chop.
Give him a kebab.
A kebab. Here's a kebab. Sand and ash and shit all over it.
Happy Dad, because we're way up the river and then they won't have to walk all the way back.
This is Winston and his lovely wife. I haven't met her yet.
Mom.
Oh, his mum.
She actually looks really young.
That's why I thought she was his wife, because she looks so young. Hello,
Hi, I'm Claudia.
I'm Josh.
Claudia.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Hawaii. Hawaii.
Oh, Hawaii. Winston and Claudia are from Hawaii.
Oi.
All right, we're away. Do you mind being on my amateur production?
Oh, not at all.
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
It'll be really hot. Be careful.
Dad is documenting it.
Offer our guests some delicious char grilled, not charcoaled.
It's not great, but
Well, the day just got a whole lot better. You know, had to come all the way to Hawaii from Hawaii to get this little zucchini or eggplant here,
Yeah,
right?
zucchini, yeah, you're on it, yeah,
proper. You know, met some new friends and got into a good part of the river to fish. And we won't tell.
The steak is actually top shelf T-bone steak. It's not dead deer,
it's
so
not deer deer?
nah, it's T-bone. We chop the T-bone up.
going to say that doesn't taste like
Yeah, she's top shelf. And how's your fishing been, Winston?
Had some good days. Got into 12 fish, hooked 18 a
Awesome.
couple days ago.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Any
Awesome.
double figures?
Single digits, you know,
Single
but good
digits.
fish.
Yeah, it's not a mouse season. You got to come here when the blooming mouse are around, and then to get ridiculously big. Still, they're quite big. The average size fish in New Zealand's good, isn't it?
Oh, they're good fish, and it
It's a
took some
fat one?
work, and
Yeah. I don't
you
like
know,
the
it was worthwhile. Taking dries, blowflies, and
Oh,
stuff
nice,
like that. So,
nice.
Thank you.
yeah, we're happy about it. Mostly just to be up here.
the other one to start running now.
Yeah,
Quality.
she's a wonderful part of the country. We're actually up the... Good dog.
Aloha.
Wow, very fortunate meeting Winston and Claudia. He might come up the coast and come fishing with me. We'll see. All right, now we're going to pack this up, put the fire up. Queenstown. camp here. Nice. How's the mean riding? You did well across those creeks, eh?
I tried to dodge all the creek.
Just pulled over, Charlie go for a slash, and I'm going to grab some of this elderflower to jam in my water bottle. Medicinal benefits, I think. Maybe. Yeah, it's bloody tasty though. I do know that elderberry is very good for preventing colds and flus and probably the coronavirus, I'm assuming. There you go, that's what the elder tree or elder bush looks like. Boys are fighting, can hear them. Oh, 5 o'clock. It's already 5 o'clock. We've just been shopping at the old Pack and Save. Now we've got to go wash the sheep shit off the truck. We're in the burbs. We've come to the burbs to give our deer away. Right. Do you want a hand? Someone's got to film. So Charlie Sheen actually lives in Queenstown. You fellas didn't know that, eh? He's a good mate of mine.
Dad, give us a hand for God's sake.
He's got some mean tattoos as well.
I'll give it a lift up, you take up the slack with the rope and use the friction to lock her up. 1, 2, 3.
It's a lot heavier than it looks.
That'll do, yeah.
How do you like the campsite, Sonny?
The room's so tiny.
Yeah, it is. It's very cute. This is the Sherwood Hotel in Queenstown. Got a heck of a deal. We're not camping. We're going to have a shower and a bath and hopefully do some laundry. We'll see. Just relax. After our beer with Brad. Oh yeah, go for another one now. Alright. I was just rolling. That was the worst time.
Here, Brad, have a cigarette.
I'm actually glad we didn't go camping last night. I'm so jaded.
Wake up, Charlie.
Tired, hangry. Putting the other weapon on the back. I'm going to take it up and get another exhaust put on because it is extremely loud. Extremely loud. So hopefully I'll be able to rungy this exhaust up and make it a bit more user friendly.
Oh,
you already do look awesome. We're at Kingpin and we are, I'm not, these guys are, I might.
Okay. Oh my god.
Yellow player, shoot! Red player, shoot!
Bloody hell, I think I'm going to have some kind of fit with all of these lights and sounds and noises.
What even is those things?
Oh, we just spooked a wallaby in the bushes. She just went sniffing around in there and this wallaby come thumping out. We parked up right here. Another secret spot that's not so secret, someone's local rubbish dump. We're just going to go see if we can find some skinks.
Oh, were they skinks?
Oh, I just gave it away. Charlie caught one before, but he only caught its tail because they drop their tail if you catch them as a defence mechanism. And we brought it back, gave it to Sonny, said he couldn't figure out what it was. And we said, well, we'll go lift up some of that wood and we'll show you.
Here's one, son.
Where? Oh,
Where is he?
He's under here.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, oh. Man, they're so quick. You got him? Oh, is it? Hold him up. Give me a look at him. Is he a blue skink?
Wait, can I hold him?
How about him?
You go give him the sunny. Just real gentle with him, mate. You don't want to squash him.
My
Hold him up to the camera. Show the camera. Go on.
to Skink Park. Na, na, na,
Right,
na.
then go. Let's go find some more.
That's it. Oh yeah. Dinner time, hamburgers tonight.
Good job.
Pretty handy cooking bench on the M2 Overland canopy there. Just slides out, it's a drawer, and it's got a stainless steel cover so you can use it as a bench. And that was the last time we ever saw Sunny Jim.
Let's make some bread.
Hey, just wanted to give a big thanks to everyone for enabling me to get the kids dirt bikes. This is to pump up the pack raft from Cork Pally. Pretty awesome, that bipod. Backlands, carbon fibre, quick attach and detach. Super lightweight, strong, functional. Check them out. We've seen 3 rabbits, but unfortunately they saw us first and skedaddled. Home sweet home. No rabbits. I'm going to make some damper now. Damper's pretty easy, just flour and water, then wrap it on a stick, cook it on the fire, but no fires here, so we're just going to roast it on the gas. Works mean. Oh, nice. And you end up with this little pocket of flour and you stuff the honey and the butter in there. Oh man. Or you can put marshmallows and chocolate, but we ate all the marshmallows and chocolate.
So good.
Good night, folks. See you tomorrow. Man, there's heaps of rubbish out here. Nicely toasted. Hey, wake up. Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Light.
You made toast for us. You made it so we can't.
Oh yeah, the kitchen's in the hallway. I got up this morning and I saw a rabbit just in front of the truck. He looked at me and then he hopped off into the woods. So there's rabbits up here, but they're just few and far between. Good morning. It's one way of making the bed. Bye.
Bye. Hey.
Drop. Oi, drop. Good girl.
Oh my God!
I'll get him.
Oh. you've got to do it like brushy.
Drop it. Drop it. She's going to cut her bloody lips up. Drop it, you mongrel. Oi. No, drop it. Chuck that in the rubbish bin with all the rest of the crap. Okay. Oi, your helmet. Put your helmet on. Helmet. Sonny's been wearing his gumboots without socks. The old boonies start to, oh, they smell fresh. Chuck them in the Hikarangi washing machine. Almost got you, oi. Hey, look out, buddy. We're out of here. Harvesting pine pollen here. You can see there's heaps of pollen in that. We're going to put it in the bag and then shake it over a sieve and get all the pollen out.
I know a guy who's got a lot to lose. He's a pretty nice fella, kinda confused, got muscles in his head, ain't never been used, thinks he owns half of this town. Started drinking heavy, got a big red nose, beat his old lady with a rubber hose, then he took her out to dinner, bought her new clothes. It's the way that the world goes round. That's the way that the world goes round. You up one day, the next you're down. It's a half an inch of water, you think you're gonna drown. That's the way that the world goes round.
Chuck a C4 in the car, in the truck, and just let it explode. Just go, or else I'll use C4.
Boiling, I reckon.
Go, or else I'll use AK-47. No. You don't even have an AK-47. Oh, yes, I do. Since you're not going. That's what I would do.
Hey, dear. Shoot. Yeah, that'll do. We actually already shot the deer.
The world's worst acting team right here.
Terrible actors. Alright, you guys go down and get it and I'll meet you at the bottom.